Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again, Lolo. Again, Lolo. Every day. Almost coming here to buy what we need in the house. Oh, I need to go to the department store. Need to find a free paper. Wait lang. Can I leave this for a while? Just be up for a while. I need to, I'll get that later. Anyway, guys. Since go to the department store, I need to buy crepe paper, white crepe paper. See? How are you, everyone? How was your day going so far today? Today is Tuesday. Today is what's today? 18? March 18. I need to go to the stationery. Hey guys, I'm here in the department store. Hello, department store. Crepe paper I need. This is the school supply. I'm looking for the crepe paper. Crepe paper. We don't have crepe paper here. Crepe paper. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like here. Notebook. I need crepe paper. White crepe paper. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion. And of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.